Good morning. Hello, my name is Dalager. I'm from Greenland. So from today I'm gonna be vlogging periodically in English. Sorry, it's early in the morning. So right now it's Monday and I'm going to the school and we will have a class over there, but the weather is cold and windy, but I hope today will be another great Monday. It is beautiful morning, although it's windy and it's very cold. It's around how many degrees? We use Celsius in Greenland, we use metrics too, so let's head to the school. So I just bought a morning bread from the local store, and as you can see it's very icy road, so you're gonna have to walk like a penguin to not to slip to the ground. I guess there are some sands, but usually during the day everything would be very up. There was something I forgot in the store, but right now we are walking like penguins, so small steps on the icy road. Sometimes there aren't any sand at all. Oh my god, I almost slipped down. So try to walk in the crystallized ice because there are more friction there. That's the store I was just went in just before. Now I am in the bridge. It's a beautiful day. It was very windy this morning, so right now the weather is very mild, but it's still very cold. So I'm heading back to the school. So we had day off earlier than planned. So we have chosen our animal, which we are going to present for 15 minutes as an oral presentation exam for the next week. So I have already researched the start of the research, and the keynote is already begun. So right now I was editing a video which is makeup haul, and my battery is dying, so I'm gonna go home and get the charger or charge my laptop back home. So it's a very beautiful day. It's sunny and it's getting warmer, so I think I'm gonna be out. So I just watch documentaries about the Arctic animals. So right after that, now I'm going to the place where the students eat, and I don't know what's going to happen there, so you're gonna have to follow and watch. Here again, very slippery, icy roads with some sandy roads. Penguin style is very high fashion walking style because of the iciness. So I am here in the student restaurant. So I'm getting lasagna with water. Oh my god, time does fly. See, it's late in the evening, so what should I talk about? I know some of people aren't from Greenland, and I thought you may have some questions that I could answer, because I think I'm a bit eligible to answer Greenland topics questions. My English is a little off because I'm not that used to talking English every day, periodically. So if you have some questions, please comment down below, and remember to subscribe. I'm hoping to make more English talking vlogs. So I am here in South Greenland, which is not my hometown, and I am getting my certification for Arctic Tourist Guide, and I will be here till this summer, and I am usually based in Nuuk, which is capital city of Greenland, and my boyfriend is in Nuuk. So so much is happening right now. I am busy, but I'm trying to make fun videos for me and for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you later. Bye.